The information, 6:16 here, waking up Thursday morning. Ooh, it's not a Monday. You know what? Tomorrow's Friday, though, and here's the deal. Great sunrise this morning. Sun coming up before 6 a.m., believe it or not, and setting after 8 p.m. The day is getting longer and longer. It is nice and quiet out there, just warm and muggy. Today is going to be hot and muggy, too. 93, feeling like 107 to 108, and a couple showers and storms popping up throughout the afternoon. Now, this is not going to be a washout of a day, but there will be a couple of storms firing up here and there. Now, this morning, got a big thunderstorm rolling off the Gulf, heading into southwest Louisiana. We are quiet here. One little shower north of Morgan City and a couple of showers near Pascagoula and Ocean Springs this morning. I've also got a little sprinkle in Barataria Bay and south of Terrebonne Bay this morning. Now, the chance of rain today is not off the charts, but it's there, so just keep the umbrella nearby. Remember, it's impossible to tell you when and where exactly these storms will form, but the most likely timing is around 1 to 2 o'clock. That's typically when things start going, but it's not a washout today. A couple storms trying to roll in tonight, but I think those will dissipate before they get here, so we will keep the chance of rain low tonight as well. Tomorrow looks like a better shot of scattered storms, so notice more widespread. We'll go with a 50 to 60% chance of rain on Friday, and Saturday a 40 to 50% chance of rain as well, so some rain around for those Saturday afternoon plans and maybe even Saturday evening. We are not breaking down this pattern through early next week. Now, there's signs that maybe our big heat ridge does get stronger by the middle of next week, by next Wednesday. That could lower the chance of rain, but it's that time of year where almost every single day there's a pop-up storm somewhere, and almost every day it is so hot and humid. Luckily, nothing to worry about in the tropics still. The Pacific still remains where all the action is. However, big if, not saying this is going to happen, but if there's something we're going to watch in the tropics, it would be about this time next week. And it's tied to the same pattern that's been producing these storms in the Pacific. Part of the Central American gyre, that's just a large area of moisture spinning around Central America that occasionally spits off tropical systems off in the Pacific. It does occasionally spit off tropical systems on the Atlantic side as well. The area we're going to watch, though, is by the middle of next week. If some of this moisture tries to ride over these warm waters of the Western Caribbean or maybe the extreme southwestern Gulf, it would have a low chance of maybe trying to organize some. But the big question is it actually over the water or does it stay over land? Remember, if the storms stay over land, they never develop. It's just extra rain. But if they get over these warm waters, we may start to see something try to consolidate in this corridor by the middle of next week. Now, the steering pattern right now would probably keep all this pushed down south into the Gulf and south into Central America. So that's why the chances of this forming don't seem very likely right now, but that's about all we can talk about in the tropics, and that just shows you how quiet it really is out there right now. So for us, it stays quiet in the tropics, and it just gets hot, and it stays humid, and we've got a couple storms. Don't forget about Father's Day on Sunday. If you got outdoor plans, there'll probably be some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Plenty hot, plenty humid, that's for sure. Heads up for boaters, no issues out on the waters right now, but gusty winds and water spouts are possible with any pop-up storms. Outside of that, shouldn't have any problems on the water. High tide is going to be through the early afternoon, and that low tide, that'll happen later tonight.